IRS Form 1099 OID is a tax form used to report the difference between the value of a financial instrument, such as a bond, and its acquisition price. This form is necessary when a bond is purchased at a discount but can be redeemed at maturity for its full value, as the government taxes the difference as interest income. The form is typically sent to investors by brokers, who use the information to complete their annual tax returns. It is used to report an original issue discount on various financial instruments, including bonds, debentures, notes, certificates of deposits, and more. With a term of more than 1 year, the form reports three main things: the original issue discount, any foreign tax withheld on the discount, and the federal income tax withheld under backup withholding rules. Brokerage firms usually send Form 1099 OID to investors whose financial instruments they manage. The deadline to send this form to recipients is January 31st of the year after the interest income was earned. Paper copies must be filed with the IRS by February 28th, while electronic copies must be filed by March 31st. To file Form 1099 OID, one must collect a W-9 form from the recipient. Complete one form for each obligation. File copy A with the IRS. File copy 1 with the state tax department. Send a copy B to the recipient, and keep copy C for their records. There are key differences between Form 1099-B and Form 1099 OID. While Form 1099-B documents earnings from the sale of financial instruments, Form 1099 OID reports discounts applied in the purchase of those instruments, which the IRS considers taxable income. OID income is typically taxed at the rate applicable to the recipient's other income. To report Form 1099 OID on Form 1040, one takes the amount from Box 1 of the 1099 OID and inputs it on line 2B of Form 1040. If it exceeds $1,500, the amounts reported on lines 1, 2, and 4 of Schedule B must also be included. The IRS charges penalties for neglecting to file Form 1099 OID, with rates varying depending on how late the forms are filed or if they're filed at all. Understanding and correctly filing Form 1099 OID is crucial for accurate tax returns and avoiding potential penalties.